Hi, many people in internet searching and they asking how to manifest something or how to attract something. And we have that beautiful movie, The Secret, where it's writing like if you will put on a wall image or maybe you will put on your display of mobile phone or computer and then you will begin think about it and then it will attract to your life. But have problem, mostly all that people not get what they really want, like something big goal, right? Some small percent of people they really get good result. But people after movie The Secret, where it's so beautiful everything and produce that movie so beautiful, good actor, good speech, good picture, everything good there. They speak so beautiful. People after watching that movie, they come home and they ready for spend 30 minutes, 1 hour, how many need for only thinking about something, and that will attract to our life. But in fact, they not get what they really want. In that video, I will give you real step, which one already use many people, which one use famous people, and you see their result because they know them, because they famous. If you will follow that steps, you will also get something what you really want from this life. You can also attract something or manifest something. Firstly, we should understand what is energy, how to control energy, how to use energy, how to stop wasted energy. So, energy, it's things which one we focus to, where we focus our attention. Then there begin happen something, then there begin appeared something. We have 100% energy, and while the day we spend it like for watching movie, listen music, play phone, play Instagram, put likes Instagram, speak with friends, watching some videos, funny videos, work, food, smoke, drink. And while the day you do that things without any limit. That's why in the finish of day you get feeling like yeah, today was big day and you did a lot of things. But in fact you not do anything for your future life, for your like a life which one you wanna get. You should understand how to control energy for sending energy to things which you really want from this life. Before I will tell you other steps, if you like to develop yourself, if you like to become to more better person, if you want to step up to next level of life, if you want to begin have something of life like all inclusive, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel and put notification, because I'm always post video about developing. I develop myself and you develop with me together. Second step, it's you should understand what you really want from life. Love, family, happiness, girlfriend, boyfriend, or maybe you want some things like an iPhone or computer, but you should understand that things it's not make you happy. That things never will change you. That things it's like a last things which one attract to you automatically after you create your own self. First you should understand whom you want become to, and then everything like an iPhone, computer, car, buildings, house will automatically attract to you. Most easy way if you will find some famous people in internet. Because before people don't know how to become to the great one, because they don't have example. But now we have examples in internet, and you can find someone in internet whom you really like, some famous person, and you can become to famous fighter, famous painter, butler, who work only for stars and get a lot of good things from that job. Or maybe even killer if you like that person, because all people should be different, right? Who knows, who are you? Or maybe pilot, or maybe something else. Like you can find in internet some example and try to be as they, like connect to their frequency. Because if you connect to frequency whereas it's possible, it begin possible in your life too. If you still not understand how to switch your frequency to another, I have playlist frequency, you can watch in that playlist. So you should understand what you really want from life, whom you want to become. Because if you will have great goal for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, then you will see how it's growing you. Everything automatically begin to attract to your life. iPhone, cars, building, girls, boys, anything what you really want. But first you should build yourself and become to someone. Third way, it's a concentration of attention. You should always work for your own goal. Tenacity and own discipline, it's also very important, because if you will not study how to make discipline for yourself, nobody will do it for you. You should always work for yourself, by yourself, and also motivate yourself and make mood. If you will not make good mood for you, like a day by day, you will go down and you will never complete that goal. So you should learn how to make mood for you and how to motivate yourself and work day by day for your goal. And then you will see how everything become like a beautiful flower, become shiny, and your own goal become shiny too, become too bigger, bigger, bigger. You will see. In that moment I'm lose my voice, sorry guys, so I should repeat that part in another place. I say about faith. It's very important, because without faith you cannot do anything. If you have faith, anyway happen bad things or good things, you still believe to something what you will come to your goal and everything will happen good. Because if you don't have faith, then nothing good will happen with you. Without faith, people never stand up, never get their goal. If you see famous star, famous people, you will see like that people, they believe to their things. Wake up in the morning and even they feel bad, they begin do again and again their things. That's why they get what they have right now. That's why they get their goal. You should also believing, like you should also have faith. Not like a belief to yourself, not confident, belief to the world. What world can give you something what you really deserve. Believe to yourself, believe to world, and everything will good in your life. Just stand up and do it. And if you feel down, don't worry. Even famous people, even stars, they also feel down. We all not robots. Everyone feel down, even so famous people. So believing, faith. Let's go, let's do it, keep your goal. Some people who work day by day, they not get good result. Why? Because they do not enough. Because they not develop themselves. They not work on their goal, like not try to be better every day. How you can be like this? You can find some famous person who already have big result and try to be as him. Like if you wanna be pilot, find the famous pilot and why he become too famous and what he did for it, and try to be like him. Find 3 examples and try to catch from each person some skills or things what they did before for their that good result. 5 step, it's repeat your doings day by day, every day. Famous people, they repeat their doings every day while the many years. That's why they become so famous, because they work hard. They say if you will work 10,000 hours, then you will become professional, and then you will better than other people. That's how they also become too famous. They try too many things and again repeat and repeat it day by day. Even bad weather, bad mood, but they keep going, and that's why they become too famous. If you still don't understand what is control of energy, you can find my playlist Energy Management, and then you will learn more how to control your energy, how to focus your energy, and how to when you focus to something, make it appear there, something what you really want. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. My name is Dmytro, man. Sorry, I'm said that only in the finish of that video, but I still say see you on the next video. I'm always post new video for make develop me and my friends and people who watching me. Thank you for watching.